Hey there mga my loves! Scorpio! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ang reading ninyo mga my loves, reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think are for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. And of course, wala tayong gender here. Babae, lalaki, LGBT cross watchers. You're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya naman, without further ado, let's begin and let's see what we have here for you, Scorpio. So, Spirit and Angel, guys. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can you please tell me something about my Scorpio here? Can you please tell me something about my Scorpio? Spirit and Angel, guys, can you please show me? What do we have here for my Scorpio, please? Tell me something about Scorpio. Okay, so let's see Scorpio, ano bang meron dito for you guys? Someone here is defensive. Kaya naman pala. Okay. 9 to the 10 of swords is right here. This person caused you a lot of headache and heartbreak. Yan, no, in the past. Yan. Kaya naman pala. Oh! We've got the power couple right here, Scorpio. So, you could be, okay mga babes, no, maaaring kasama mo na rito yung iyong tunay na divine counterpart right here because we have here the Emperor and the Empress. Both are matured right here sa pag-iisip. No? And if you aren't not yet connecting with this Emperor is coming right here. Yung iba kasal na kayo sa tao na to, no? Or you feel like malapit na kayong ikasal, baka may engagement na dito, may proposal na sa iba, pero yung iba pwedeng makikilala nyo pa lang tong person ninyo. Okay? May ganun tayong nakukuha because yung iba, no, hindi nyo pa siya nakikita right here. Nasa likod nyo pa siya. Pero yung iba, kapiling nyo na tong Emperor na ito. So, just take how this resonates with you. Yung iba, kasal na kayo. Yung iba, no, pwedeng kakapropose niya lang, no, nagpakasal or magpapakasal pa lang or mag-i-engage or magpo-propose pa lang. I can see, no, na meron ritong parating sa buhay mo or nasa buhay mo na. No? At ito yung dinedepensahan mo rito. Yan. No? Ang pagiging balance ng relationship ninyo. Definitely, because I'm getting the twin flame connection. I'm picking up that you both came from one soul right here. So, this is literally your perfect soulmate. Okay? This is your divine counterpart right here. Yeah. I can see that this is you protecting this relationship with this Emperor. Yeah. And I'm picking up na parehas kayo ritong wiser, ha? Parehas kayo rito na abundant rin, no? In many way. At parehas kayo nag-heal na rito, no? Sa mga nakaraan. Like, literally, no going back with the past. Both of you guys are protecting this relationship ninyong dalawa. See? You're defending this, especially to this one who caused you headache and heart pain in the past. Yan, no? Kasi, this person is thinking, nag-iisip siya ngayon rito on how to give or what to offer to you para makuha ka niya ulit pabalik sa buhay niya. So, regardless if you're connecting already with this Emperor or Empress right here, wala siyang pakialam dun. Pero what I don't like about this person right here, this person is claiming that you betrayed him or her. Okay, in some way, no? Parang, this is yun na hindi mo tinapad yung pangako mo, Parang gano'n na parang sinasabi niya rito na hindi mo tinapad yung pangako mo sa kanya. So, definitely, this is your ex-person right here na talagang nag-heartbreak, nag-traitor, nag-betrayed rito sa inyo in the past, no? This person put you into that so much stress and depression in the past to the point, no, na hindi na kayo nakakain ng tama, no? Hindi na rin kayo rito nakapaglaan ng tamang lakas sa work, sa school, sa mga dapat ninyong gawin everyday, no? Alam mo yun, this person drained your energy in the past, but this person is claiming right now that he or she feels betrayed, especially if you are connecting with a new person now. Or baka kinasal ka na with new person. This person is claiming na hindi ka marunong tumupad sa pangako mo. And this is you, no? You're defending this relationship. And kasi matalino kasi kayo parehas nitong new person mo. So I think ang pinaka the best na ginagawa mo dito is hindi mo na lang pinapatulan, no? Pero naka-defensive mode ka na to the point na if ever nalalapit ito sa inyo, kasi may offer siyang iniisip rito eh. Okay? Na lalapit siya sa inyo para ma-convince na bigyan nyo siya ng chance, no? Or maagaw kayo from this new person right here. Yun yung iniisip niya. Pero tingnan mo naman yan, no? Hindi pa rin malabo rito na i-betrayed pa rin kayo nitong tao na to. Kasi nakikita ko siya rito mga babes, no? Na alam mo yun, for you to be able to get blamed. Isipin mo makikipagbalikan siya sa'yo rito, pero sinisisi ka niya, no, na tinidor mo siya, no, to the point na nagmahal ka ngayon ng iba, na hindi mo siya magawang hintayin, no. Sinasabi sa akin sa reading na to, na siya naman yung hindi tumupad sa pangako, na una, 'di ba? So, kung ngayon, na nasa piling ka na ng ibang person, deserve mo, kasi, 'di ba? Kakaloka to. So, whatever the case may be, Scorpio, I'm picking up that you're working into this new life with this new connection here with you. At saka, ikaw to na parang sinasabi mo, ang dami kong dapat na asikasuhin rito sa buhay ko na mas importante kaysa makipag-deal ako sa'yo, ex-person. Tas ganyan yung kiniklaim mo na hindi ko tinapad yung mga pangako ko sa'yo. May mga pangako tayong binitiwan both nung tayo ay nagsasama at may connection pa. Pero sinong unang sumira nun? You! Diba? Sinasabi mo yun sa kanya na ikaw yung unang sumira nun. Pero you're not telling it with that person directly. Nakikita ko na parang ganun yung tinatakbo rito ng reading, no? Kasi this is you that you've almost, okay, iningatan mo, this is the apron guy and the apron woman here, iningatan mo yung relationship with this person to the point na tiniis mo yun with the 9 of Swords energy, no? Yung mga ginawa niya na baka may mga pinalampas ka, pinagbigyan mo, pero inulit na naman niya rito, no? So, sinasabi mo rito na hindi ikaw yung unang hindi tumpad sa pangako. Tsaka malay mo ba, 'di ba? Kung babalik pa yan sa buhay mo, no? Tapos ngayon niya pa lang iisipin na bumalik o pabalik pa lang siya o nag-iisip pa siya ng i-offer sa iyo rito. Pero no one can impress an emperor and empress with just, okay, a small offer, 'di ba? Tapos hindi niya pa kayang i-admit rito at magpakatotoo, no? Hindi niya kaya magpakatotoo na sorry kasi ako yung talagang may dahilan kung bakit nagbago yung feelings mo para sa akin. Hindi niya, mga babes, no, nakita at hindi niya pa rin ngayon ina-absorb, no, na kasi kasalanan niya kung bakit ganito, ni hindi mo na siya nagawang hintayin. Kasi nagising ka. The Empress is someone here who was being awakened by the truth. At the Empress is, hindi niya deserve ang less. Okay? Deserve niya ang treatment as an empress, 'di ba? So yung nakikita ko rito. So whatever the case may be, this person is telling you that binitreat mo siya and all of these things. Tapos ngayon sasama ka sa iba, mamumuhay ka na masaya sa iba. Uy, asan ka for the last 10 years? Nakita ko yung 1 decade. So, whatever the case may be, pwedeng isang dekada or higit na itong wala sa buhay mo. Ngayon, babalik siya rito. Tapos, meron ka na rito kinakasama. May pamilya ka na. No? Tapos, ibabato niya sa'yo na, oh, bakit hindi mo ko hinintay? Ha? Ano? Si Sleeping Beauty ka ba? Natulog ka ba ng ganun kahaba? Diba? Tsaka amnesia ka ba? Or ano? Kasi hindi mo maalala na ikaw yung may kasalanan kung ba tayo nagkaganto. Yun. So, whatever the case may be, ewan ko dito. Pero kasi nakikita ko na untoxic lang. Kasi gusto niya bumalik sa'yo rito. Pero hindi niya pa rin kayang aminin lahat ng mga mali niya sa'yo. At ang nakakaloka, ikaw pa raw tong sumisira dito sa mga pangako. Hindi naman ganun yung nakikita ko dito. Pero yun nga mga babes, no, you're not giving even one word with this person here. But I'm seeing, okay, that this is you, okay, na yun yung side mo with the 7 of Wands energy. There's this 8 of Coins and then there's this 9 of Swords energy. So whatever the case may be, you are already in a balanced state of life right now, together with your Emperor or with your Empress right here, and this is yun na hindi mo ipagpapalit ang buhay na meron ka ngayon just to go back with this toxic energy na hindi marunong umamin ng sarili niyang pagkakamali. Very good. Okay? Continue moving here from your life right here. You do not need anyone right here, especially someone here na sinisisi ka pa niya sa kasalanan na siya naman ang may gawa. Okay, so Scorpio, ito mga mensahe na nakuha natin for you guys. And I'm picking up that there are doors of opportunities opening up for you and for your partner. I can see that you've already found your true soulmate here. Definitely. Okay? So, thank you so much, Scorpio. Sarang ngayong love and life. Annyeong.